In primetime news this evening, teachers and government on collision course as wage negotiations stall.
Trending upwards, students record improvements in CSEC, maths and English.
And truck driver dies in freak accident in Bogwalk Gorge. Good evening and welcome to primetime news. We're live on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Anthony Lugg.
And I'm Kelisha Williams. Special welcome to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands. And a little later on, we'll have the financial week.
But Spencer Darlington is here to give us a preview of what's to come in sports.
Thank you very much, Anthony. Well, an Olympic silver medalist will headline 15 Jamaicans down to compete at the Silesia Diamond League meet in Poland on Saturday. We'll give you more details in Primetime Sports later.
Thanks, Spencer. There's also sports commentary, E-Prime, and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
And this evening, we're asking, what are your thoughts on the CSEC and CAPE results?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica, and post on X at TVJ News Center.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.